Hey guys, back to another video. So here we're working with powers and indices, okay? And I'm presented two problems which are quite fairly similar. So the first one is to find the value of 81 to the power of negative half, okay? And the second one is find the value of this fraction to the power of 2/3. Now for the first problem, what do we do? So what we could do is firstly understand what negative power means. Negative power means that we take the reciprocal of the 81 and change it to a positive. So we can rewrite as 81 to the power of half as 1 over 81 to the power of positive half. Okay. Now the fractional powers means we're taking roots. So power 2 means a square root, power 3 means a cube root, and so on. The top one means we're powering up, squaring, cubing, etc. But this is a 1, so we ignore it. So now all we have to ask ourselves is what is the square root of 1 over 81? Well, the square root of 1 is 1 and the square root of 81 is 9. So that's it. So our answer is 1 over 9. Okay, good. Now part B. We got 64 over 125 all to the power of 2/3. So same things applies, except before we get there, let's rewrite this as two things, yeah? So we can say, firstly, we can do 64 over 125 is the same as the power of a half, the power of a third, I mean, because it's 2/3, and then 2/3 can be written as a third times 2. So once we take the third root, then we can square it, yeah? So we can write like this. Do this step first and then square it next. So the third root of this one, well, the cube root, can be tricky. So it helps that you know your cube numbers, yeah? So firstly, the cube root of 64 is 4. How do we know? Because firstly, 4 times 4 times 4 gives us 64. So clearly, 4 cubed is 64. So the first result will be 4. The cube root of 125 will be 5. Because 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. So clearly 5 cubed is 125. It also helps to know that because for most problems, this is probably non-calculator, they're not going to give you figures which are decimals. They're going to give you clean numbers. And trust me, the answer is always going to be either 3, 4, 5, or even 6. That's just my tip. My tip is to just realize that this will be 4 and 5. Okay, so therefore the solution is going to be 4/5 now. And now all we're going to do is deal with the 2 part, which is squaring. So squaring both numbers, so the square of 4 is 16 and the square of 5 is 25. And that's it, guys. Hope you got the solutions, and I'll see you soon. Ciao.